Welcome to 100 Duchess Court. You're going to love this custom home just outside the gates of Colington Harbor with fantastic sound views. So many fantastic features of this home, and this is one of my favorites. This porch is right off the downstairs bedroom. It has this great pergola and a fantastic room for a hot tub. Thank you for visiting 100 Duchess Court. For more information on this home or any other homes in the Outer Banks, contact me, Emily Quinn Bray, at 252-412-5991 or visit my website, obxbyemily.com.